A bit of breaking news to bring to you right here on Links 007 TV News Report. So the police in the United Kingdom are reporting that a body has been found in River Wyre, and that is believed to be that of Nicola Bulley that has been missing for some time now. However, the police have not yet confirmed the identity. When we return, I have the full and exclusive details of this to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police searching for a missing woman, Nicola Bulley, have found a body in the river. The mother of two disappeared during a river dog walk in St. Michael's and the Wyre in Lancashire 3 weeks ago, sparking a major operational search. Lancashire police said that sadly a body was recovered after they were called to the River Wyre around 11:35 a.m. on Sunday. A statement said that formal identification had not yet been carried out, so they are unable to state at this time, up to the publication of this report, whether or not this is the body of the missing female. Nicola's family has been formally informed of the development, and our thoughts are with them at this difficult time. We ask for their privacy and respect during this difficult time, according to the Lancashire police. Miss Bulley, who worked as a mortgage advisor, was last seen walking her dog Willow after dropping off her two daughters aged 6 and 9 at a school on January 27. Her dog Willow was found shortly after, along with her cell phone, still connected after a conference call on a bench by the steep of the river. The police had previously stated that they believed that the 45-year-old woman had gone into the river and that her disappearance was not suspicious. The body was found about a mile from where she was last seen in a small village of St. Michael's on the River Wyre. The search drew huge interest, with large number of people visiting and filming the area. This led to police issuing dispersal notices and warning over antisocial behavior. Following various theories that spread on social media, her family became concerned of the distraction this was facing on the case as the police carried out the investigation. This is a developing story on Links 007 TV, and it's just very sad to see what transpired here. However, whether or not this is the body of the missing female, we don't know at this point in time, as the police are waiting on a formal identification by either family members or close individual that would have been in contact with this female in order to identify the body of the missing female, as the police were faced with harsh criticism based on how they dealt with the initial investigation and the manner in which they carried out the investigation in the initial stage. However, we just have to wait and see right now what transpired here from now after the body was discovered, and we are not sure whether or not this is the body of the missing female, as it's still early days yet and the police are waiting on a formal identification process. We're not sure whether that will happen today or later on during the course of the week. However, Links 007 TV, we will continue to track this story and will provide you with the latest information to come on this story. But this is a developing story and we'll provide you with more to come, but still sad news coming outside of Lancashire, and we'll continue to provide you extensive coverage of this to come in a later news report. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.